What is going on, everybody? Today I'm out here at the 7.3 van and I wanted to, fire the little girl up. She's been sitting for, a couple weeks, maybe a month or more, a while now, because I haven't gotten any cars and the Volvo's just been sitting here. And my yard is icy, it's just starting to melt. And I want to, just fill the tire up, because this sucks as it is, Couldn't get air in it, so I wanted to move it, try to get it into a different spot to get air into it. And now the van won't start. And it's definitely an electrical issue. So if you're gonna turn the key on, now the batteries are fully charged. This is what happens. Wigs out, looks like it's dead. Yeah, as you can see, definitely a connection issue. And what I figured out to make that, connection issue go away was my shady wiring. Because, oh god, slippery. What I had done is extended the connections from underneath this. It has a battery box that's underneath it. I actually painted it, POR'd it, 15'd it, and made it really nice. So I'm going to put that back in. But I had extended it because the van has a draw from somewhere where it kills the batteries. I didn't want to have to go under it a million times to disconnect the battery, but because it's causing all this drawing issue, I have to put it back underneath, causing all this slow crank. But as you can see, these wires are not up to snuff. That is not thick enough for a 7.3. All the 7.3 guys are gonna be like, you're an idiot. I know, you don't need to comment it. I just didn't want to crawl underneath it. But I'm gonna figure out the draw before the next drift event. The first event I'm hitting is next month, April 13th. It's the Grassroots first event at Lock City. Should be fun. Thompson, Lock City event. Should be a good time. And I want to try to figure out, why the batteries go dead. Before that Volvo is actually going to be going in the garage. That's the point of getting her moving. And I'm going to take the diff out of it, weld it for my LS Volvo. But we got to start here. And what I was doing when I was wiggling these connections under here, as you can see, don't hate, I know. I'll show you, it's copper rings. It's a hack method. It worked for a little while though. All taped up, got to cut all that tape off. But when I was wiggling that connection, it was making the connection to the dash better and making it stop weird noises stop. So obviously that was the culprit. So I'm gonna put the OG battery box in with my brand new batteries, because these are brand new batteries. And I think it should be decent and start, and then just have a draw issue, and I'll find that. Yeah. I have both the connections all untaped now. It took me a little bit. That obviously though is not enough to really power. That's what I had done. I had just literally put a copper ring or whatever, a ring on there, and bolted it to the terminal. So that was definitely not enough, but it had been working because this is a 2-battery rig. But we're gonna make it right now and delete that. I have both of these ready to go on the battery now. And after taking off these stupid clips, or stupid extensions, I really can't believe this actually even worked. They're just so stupid. Let's pull these things out though if we can. Out of this crap. I can't believe these even did anything. We go right to the floor. Yeah, I'll have to work those, but yeah. Delete. We're gonna put the battery up there now. I got the battery box in its location. Right here, I got the one strap on it. I strapped the other one's broken. I only got one on because we can't have nice things. And this is just an overall struggle to get this thing up there, and you just gotta hook it on. So yeah, let's just attempt it. There we go. I got it. Oh, it's just a super pain because you gotta hook it on over here first. Gotta hook it on right there, through the metal, and then it slides over right over here. Whew, Putting that battery in is a process. That was rough. My knees, I'm dead. I connected the battery up here again. I had it off for safety purposes. Now I'm really hoping she just fires right up, but you never know. The 7.3 light. Already huge improvement on the dash, at least I think. There we go. She's back to her normal quick self. Decent, dude. She purrs. The van is purring like a kitten. Running nice after a while. And I have the air compressor filling up because we're gonna have to try to lurch this thing forward and air that trailer tire up. As you saw, it's super flat. But what I'm gonna do right now is finishing tightening up the battery under there. And yeah, we're gonna fall down, move a little bit to the air in, and get the Volvo in the garage. We have everything all buttoned up under there. It's all tight to the frame. Running beautiful. And now we're gonna try to move it up a little bit here to see if we can get some air in this tire, because it is dipped. All right, let's do it. Well, that's interesting. She doesn't want to move at all. We're just spinning tire. What the hell? Yeah, we're stuck. Damn. All right, I'm gonna figure something out. This thing obviously does not want to budge with the completely flat tire. I had tried to fill it up and I couldn't because of just the way it's sitting on the rim and the way it's sitting so low. It's on the bead and I couldn't fill it up, and I tried to jack the trailer up and my jack just freaking sank. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do now is take the Schrader valve out of it, and hopefully that'll be enough pressure going in at once to fill it up, but I don't have a Schrader valve tool. Really simple tool, but I don't have one. Yeah, nice. Instead of messing around, I just went to O'Reilly's and got our Schrader valve remover. Now this should, just come right out. Oh boy. One hand, it's, But now that's out, little teeny valve, and hopefully this thing fills up with air. That would be good. Success. The freaking jack up method with the Schrader valve out method was what got it to work, and it's there. We're filled up, boys. It's time to move the wagon. Literally move the wagon. She should just fire up nice and good now. The 7.3 Mafia. Spin her down and see if we can get it in there. It's gonna be tricky. I'm about to pull the van down now and get the Volvo in here. But obviously, I gotta take out the LS Volvo, to get the boring one in here. See if she fires right up. Beast in dormant. Oh yeah, beautiful. We're finally at the actual move the van step now. We have everything clear, the van's running, tires are full. You can actually get this thing in the garage, hopefully. See if she spins. Oh no. Is she stuck? How is she stuck? Damn. Sorry, just digging a hole. She's gonna try to give a little hop on here. Stand like on the neck, no? Maybe she'll go. Definitely in the mud though. So he's giving it help. You can hop off. Don't want to kill you. Oh, Jesus, it's slippery. All right, I'll just bring it down slowly now. That looks decent, guys, huh? I think we will, you know, back her off, swing it down, and in we go. That's the theory, at least. Straight back, Jonathan. Go slow. The back and forth begins. It's a family occasion, everybody, having to get the Volvo in the garage. We got it though. She's in. That worked actually really well where we positioned everything, huh? Not bad. Mint, guys, mint. The Volvo's in the garage. That actually went in way easier than I thought it was gonna go. So make sure to stay tuned for a welded diff in the V8 Volvo, because the welded diff ultimately out of that, the whole cradle, I'm gonna try to make it look nice, we'll dig into that real soon, is gonna go in the V8 Volvo. I got the van up there for tonight, and we're looking really nice. Everything's away. So make sure to leave a like, make sure to smack that subscribe button if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We ran on the digit, we ran on the money. We ran on the digit, we ran on the money. We got London on the track.